this girl been cleaning the car for the past 20 minutes already. She just took it upon herself. She seen the car had all water from last night. And she just started cleaning. Kalana Cherie Cordell. She's gone. She goes. Be quiet over there. Good morning, Kalana. You sure are working hard this morning. Are you cleaning your daddy's car?
Yeah.
Wow. I love that. Thank you. That's just what we need here at Cherry List 808. Young bloods working hard. They don't work too hard. All in fun, yeah, Nana? But you're learning. High five. Thank you.